Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and a viewer or subscriber. This is part 2 of this, making this electrical box plate that's set down in like a concrete fiberglass concrete. And the reason I use the shape or the crop tool is so I can get that picture approximate size of my item. And then I crop that down, and then I make that thing with the ratio unlocked. I can make it 15 by 15 because I measured it and that's what I wanted. Well, his suggestion, and it's pretty good, I like it. I never knew the shape tool could be used on a photograph, but with it selected, grab your shape tool and it puts a line around it, and then you could bring your nodes in. And what I do like about this, because you can minutely move a node around independently where you can't really on the shape tool. And you can see my picture is a little bit skewed. But if I wanted to move this node out, I've got my nudge distance set real low, 0.001. Click on my node, and I can move that node out minutely till I can see just the edge of the box. And like this one's a little low. So on the crop tool, sometimes if your picture isn't perfectly square, and this doesn't really have to be perfectly square, but it does help, and it's not a great photograph, but you can get a little closer. And what I do like about that, now you can make that shape. With this unlocked, go 15 by 15 and it makes your picture correct. And then we'll just use my measured hole and I get the same result. I need to put in the back of the page so I can see my hairline. But I really just did the, I'm doing the picture just to kind of get my curvature of the corners where I wanted them. And then also my bolt hole placement. Because I know that 12.86 is going to fit inside there because I measured it. All I'm doing the picture for is really to get these curvatures and the location of my bolt holes. So if you didn't watch the first video, you might want to watch that. But I do thank that viewer or subscriber for giving me that tip about the shape tool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for